So today Tay and I are going to the Pacific test at Leichhardt Oval. I am just blending that colour all over her lid. I'm going to do a smoky eye for her just because of her eyelid shape. This will obviously make her eye look bigger, and these colours are chosen in order to make her eye stand out. Now just like that shimmery colour, press it on over the lid. Using the lighter colours to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner. Just using a simple liner for Tay. We don't want to make her eyes appear any smaller, so a plain liner for this kind of event is really good. My ultimate go-to with my clients is Studio Fix foundation. I just know it lasts, it works, and is really good for all skin types. Beating the hell out of Tay's skin right now. I was pressing really hard, but we were rushing that morning. The NARS concealer at the moment is my favourite. I just find the coverage and it works really well on all skin types. I even use this brush on my clients just to really blend out that contour, and I used the MAC, oh no I didn't, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills because I can see it in my hand. Now highlighting with the Fenty Beauty because I'm obsessed. With the lip, take your time. You don't want to have to correct it too many times after.